What is up, guys? Before we jump into today's video, I want to take a quick moment to talk to you guys about the video sponsor for today, Hydrocelix and their ceramic coating protection for your vehicle. Now, if you guys know me, I'm very transparent on my channel. I don't work with brands unless I think it's something that's going to be actually useful to you guys. And this is one of those products that I actually genuinely think is going to be very useful for you guys. If you guys love taking care of your car, keeping it clean, keeping it nice, and keeping it looking well, Hydrocelix, their ceramic coating protection application is the perfect thing for your vehicle. How it works is essentially, after you wash your car, now you can wash it as detailed as if you want to. If you want to do a full detail, you can do wash, clay bar, polish, everything like that, or you can just go through and do a simple wash, the two bucket method, anything like that. After you get your car completely clean, just cleaned off, you apply the recharge system to your vehicle and you dry it off with a microfiber cloth. You do panel by panel. You're essentially applying a ceramic coating protection to your vehicle. And this ceramic coating is good to protect your vehicle to up to 6 months. They don't just offer that, they offer a ton of different other products. If you want, you can check that stuff out. But right now, my viewers are getting a special discount. You can get the starter kit for free, absolutely free. You only have to pay for shipping. Go to the link down below, use my promo code OmegaGreed, that'll be down below. You can go check it out. You get the starter kit for free. You can try it out, see if you like it, see if it really does protect your car for up to 6 months. And hey, it's free. Only you have to do is pay for shipping. So support the people that support the channel. And yeah, now we can jump right into today's video. Boys, you're gonna be good where we're going? You gonna be good? That's good. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the OmegaGreed YouTube channel, where we do a bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jeffrey. We do videos on my Ford Focus RS and the Hyundai Veloster. And so for today's video, we're doing something a little bit cool, a little bit interesting. Finally, we're going out to the canyons today. Don't know how much of it's open because of the fires and everything like that. Then we're going to Crest. I think that's what I'm going to try. Yeah, we're going to head on out there. We're going to see what's up. I'm going to do a POV video, I think, when we're out there as well. That's going to be a separate video, and I'm also going to vlog today. So we're going to go there, and I think we're going to go to the store, do some other stuff. So yeah, we're out and about. First couple of weeks inside LA, and we're having some fun. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. One neighbor literally has a plug-in Prius that parks next to us, so they're probably not used to cold starts this early. Granted, it's not, I mean, it's like 7, but I don't really start my car up early during the week. It's the weekend, so I think it's okay. Aston Martin. Wow, we're out here. I cannot believe it.
I can't tell. Is that like smoke?
I don't know if that's fog. I think that might be my windows.
I don't think so.
Is it? I need to get out. I gotta get out in a second. God, dude, we made it.
Look at all the fucking garbage.
I know.
Why is there nothing here?
Good luck. Wow, we literally made it. I cannot believe it. This is insane. Okay?
We are not from here.
I know. Like, I've seen so many videos of people out here, like the Smoking Tire doing all his one takes and everything. I wasn't sure what was going to be open because of the the fires and everything. It looks like there is a lot of construction, but I'm still going to try to. We're gonna go for a nice drive. I haven't driven, like actually driven, in a long time, so this is gonna be cool. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. I can't believe we're out here. This is absolutely stunning right now. Oh my god. I'm about to take it easy out here. I haven't gone for a real nice drive in a minute. I literally have never been out here, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, but my god. So nice. This is a big car. Oh, I guess it's all gonna be trash then.
Yep. We tried. This isn't doing anything.
No, it's on. It's just the screen goes black. I'm not sure what's going on over there. There's a ton of cars over there. Not really sure what's going on, but filling up right now. Good old-fashioned California 91. It's great. There's a ton of cars over there. Granted, we like just got off the highway, so. Huh. Don't know what they're doing. They look like they're having like a photo shoot or something. Looks like I went to the wrong pump. Okay, babe, really quickly.
Yes.
What did you think of it?
I was very scared.
the whole time, or?
Most of it, yeah. I'm afraid of heights, and I wasn't the one driving. So, like, I was like, oh my fucking god. But it was really, really pretty, and it was fun when I wasn't super scared.
Yeah, so we'll say, I consider myself to be a decent driver, not a great, decent. Yeah, someone coming downhill, someone in a Miata, like, whoever that was, they were fast. I let them pass. Yeah. Also, not trying to make excuses. Never been there before. We were going downhill, but they were definitely faster. Like, yeah, I let them pass, and when they were going, I tried to stay with them. They were gone. Like, after like 3 turns, they were gone pretty much. So, yeah, I definitely want to continue to get better with my actual driving. Yeah, man, that was pretty intense. So right now, that was cool, but we're gonna go on out and try to figure out what we're gonna do next. I think we might go shopping. Still relatively early in the morning, so yeah, we got the whole day ahead of us. So let's enjoy it. I just want to say though, also, it's so nice out here. It's just so nice. I can't get over how nice it is out here. The dude has a nice Mustang right there. What's up, guys? So we are going to end the video here. I do want to say, after we got done at the canyons, we just went out to go shopping and nothing really else crazy happened. I do want to say, so that was my first time out in the canyons. I'm going to have the full canyon run. That's going to be a separate video. I think I'm going to just do that as its own separate video. Really interesting out there. It's my first time out there. I was trying to go conservatively just because I couldn't. It was my first time out there. I didn't know the roads at all. I wasn't really sure what roads were even open. I had to eventually turn around just because I was running low on gas. I didn't want to run out of gas. My biggest thing though with that, yeah, definitely, here's my thing though. I want to become a very good driver. I want to become a better driver, and going out there, that's definitely the place to learn and how to become better. My other biggest thing is with other cars, how people, if you speed on the highway and stuff like that, that doesn't make you a good driver. It really doesn't at all. It's actually being able to drive on a road like that. That's how you become a better driver. I want to go to the track and do time attack and actually do track days. That's my end goal. That's what I want to do. You know, so I know for myself, I'm doing much more driver mods and trying to become a better driver. And being out there though, definitely, you know, that's that's the place to kind of learn. I mean, even though you are out in the canyon, so if you do mess up, you know, there are some consequences. But I will say, yeah, there was a lot of fast drivers out there. Coming downhill, there was a Miata that came up. Yeah, that guy was definitely going pretty fast. I actually gave him the point by to let him go. Yeah, that just goes to show, it doesn't really matter what you're driving, it really matters your actual skill level. Yeah, so whoever that guy was, he was definitely going pretty good. I just let him go, driver. There was a lot of track cars that actually came out there. You can tell they were track cars, or at least they were on the track at some point in time. They still had numbers on them and stuff like that. Saw just a ton of cars, it was really cool. Can't wait to go back. I'm gonna go back. I want to honestly go every single week. Go out to the canyons. I gotta find out what's the best time to go. I know early mornings are probably the best. Saturdays are gonna be tough. I try to go early. We went on Saturday. It was early, but I think you gotta go earlier if you want to really go and have some time to yourself. Even though the further in you went, the more secluded everything was. You weren't really around other people, but you gotta be careful. There's a lot of cyclists out there as well, and some people doing touristy stuff, so just gotta be careful. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. And like that, guys, we're out of here. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.